Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get voice chat on Roblox. Uh, First of all, you have to open Roblox app. Just tap on this three dot over here and just go to in settings. In setting you have to go to in privacy first. In the privacy guys, you have to scroll down and check whether you have microphone in the privacy or not. If you don't have microphone in the privacy, it means you haven't verified your age. First of all, you have to go to in account info and where you have to verify your age using your photo ID. So you can upload any photo ID you want. And if you have, so basically it will ask you to upload front and back side of your photo ID, and once you upload them, you have to upload your selfie as well. And once your verification done, you will get this microphone in the privacy. You just need to keep this option enabled. This microphone have to be enabled in the privacy. Once you enable it, you just need to go back to and open any game you want, and in any game you want to use this voice chat feature. Make sure the game supports guys microphone as well. So as you can see, this game supports microphone, so you can use this voice chat feature on this game. And guys, once you open the game, and if you want to use voice chat, you just need to tap on this avatar, this mic over avatar side.